I'm Richard Timson, the Facilities Manager at Abbey Glass. We had our Sedimentor installed last year about late summer. We went down that route to recycle the water that we're using to lower our water consumption and to also capture the waste from our machines. It seemed a great option. It was a fairly compact sized machine for our shop floor, which is fairly limited. We're looking to reduce our costs and also the environmental impact of the waste glass that's going into the drainage. We wanted to eliminate that. The operation of them is extremely simple. You only use coolant and flocculant. They're easy to manage and maintain, and basically the machine just runs itself after that. It's just changed the recycle bag, the filter bag, sorry, every week, and that's it. We're looking to implement them on all of our machines, the glass processing machines. We're looking to install them on the CNC and our two new Bohle machines as well.